Hi everyone, in this video we'll discuss the ingredients of splitting of claim under CPC, that is sub-rule 2 of rule 2 of order 1. So we have three important ingredients. First is cause of action must be the same in the subsequent suit. We have here it must be with respect to the same cause of action. In our previous video we discussed the intricacies of splitting of claims and we understood the general meaning with the help of illustration, and we are restricting ourselves to ingredient in this video. So first ingredient is cause of action must be same. The second is in respect to the first suit instituted, the plaintiff must have more than one relief. So we have where the plaintiff have more than one relief, then only splitting of claim is applicable, provided where have plaintiff have more than one relief. So the third is plaintiff omitted to sue with respect of a claim or relinquishes it voluntarily without the leave of court. One thing it is important here that leave of the court or permission of the court is not taken here, and the court did not permit to court did not have knowledge about it. So the leave of the court is not taken here by the plaintiff. These are three important ingredients. Let us delve more into the ingredients and discuss them in detail. The first ingredient, which says same cause of action, that is cause of action must be same. So let us read it. That it says where a plaintiff omits to sue in respect of or intentionally relinquish any portion of his claim, shall not have afterwards sue in respect of the portion so omitted or relinquished. So same cause of action means identity between cause of action. It is a condition precedent that the cause of action between the former suit and the subsequent should be same. The rule says that the plaintiff cannot split one whole cause of action into parts so as to bring separate suit of those parts. And what is the test? How to determine whether cause of action is same or not? We have to ask one question to ourselves, and the question is whether the same evidence will sustain in both the suits. If the answer is in affirmative yes, then the cause of action is same. Let us try to understand with the help of illustration. So we have the plaintiff A. He gives loan of certain X amount to the defendant B. Let's say the amount is of 2500. Now to bring the suit within the jurisdiction of, let's say, small cause court. So A sues B for only 2000 rupees. So he relinquished the 500 rupees. So A cannot word afterward sue for the remaining 500 rupees. So this is what he intentionally relinquished it, and he cannot claim it back in the subsequent suit. The very fundamental or the cardinal rule behind splitting of claim is presence of more than one relief. So we have the second ingredient of splitting of claim, that is presence of several reliefs. The rule applies only when the plaintiff is entitled to more than one relief with respect of the same cause of action, and where the plaintiff chooses to omit or relinquishes intentionally for any of the reliefs. Let us try to understand with an example here. We take example of a suit for damages for breach of contract. So here plaintiff omits to claim a portion of damages for which he is entitled to. So later he cannot sue or institute a suit for the remaining amount. As we just discussed how 500 rupees was relinquished, he cannot sue for that 500 rupees later. However, one thing is here that rule does not apply when right to relief does not exist at the time of previous suit. And the last third important ingredient is leave of the court is not obtained. Therefore, this rule applies only when leave of the court is not obtained. That is, leave of the court means the plaintiff did not took the permission of the court and relinquished or omitted any portion of his claim on its own. So this is the meaning of leave of the court. These were the three important ingredients. Hope this video helped you out. In the next video, we'll discuss some cardinal principles of splitting of claims as discussed in Muhammad Khalil versus Mahbub Ali. So stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much.